Barberry jacket by Charlotte Emma Patterns is a new take on an old classic. The blazer is shapely with a pronounced curve from waist to hip. It features a wide lapel and notched collar, shoulder princess seams in front and back, and diagonal welt pockets with flaps at the hips. The sleeves are two-piece with a two-button vent. Within, the jacket is fully lined for a lovely professional finish. Our testers appreciated the detailed tailoring instructions that lead to a high-quality result. There's a link below to more information about the supporting materials you'll need to make a tailored jacket. We made this jacket in a textured tweed for a classic effect and chose buttons that add interest. When you're ready to challenge yourself to a more complex garment, give the Barberry jacket a try.